So in order to start a successful dropshipping website, there are a few things that we need. And just like any other business, you need to name your business, you need a space where you can do your business. The same thing applies to dropshipping. So what we need for a dropshipping website is a domain name. A domain name now represents the address of your store. It can be, for example, the name of your store.com, .org, or whichever extension that you want, but I would prefer and advise that you remain with the .com extension. So the name of your store.com becomes your domain name, and in this case, using the hosting that I've recommended, you are going to get the domain name for free, except if you have a domain name already. And that is when you now go into hosting. But if you don't have any domain name and you're going into this business newly, or you want to dedicate a particular domain name and hosting for this, you are going to get this domain name free using the hosting that I've recommended. And then for the hosting, approximately it will be costing you $10 per month. And normally, the higher the duration of the time you host, the lesser the expenses. So I'm going to show you. I'm actually recommending what I use, so you can get this hosting for as low as $2 using the same hosting that I recommended. But I'm actually recommending the cloud hosting that I'm using, so it's going to cost you approximately $10 per month, but you can get it lesser than this. And you do the hosting for a year, 2 or 3, depending on how long you want to be in this business. And the plugin we are going to use, which is an alternative and better than Shopify, is the Alidroship plugin, and this goes for a one-time payment of $89. So there is a link below this video where in the video description, where you can get this plugin at a discounted rate. So we are going to get this plugin, and it is a one-time fee. You don't need to pay $29 every month or so, any monthly subscription. So this is a one-time fee, and you have access to a whole lot of support in setting up or using Alidroship for your dropshipping business. And then the last thing we need here is the WordPress theme. So you are going to get the Astra theme for free. There is a link in the description where you can get the Astra theme. You can basically start with a free theme, but if you want to have more features of the Astra theme, you can go ahead and get the paid version, but the free one is good enough to get started. So these are basically what we need to get our dropshipping website rolling. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can get this hosting and a free domain name.